Hello friends, myself Kailash Jain, founder chairman of Mind Excel Group and member of John Maxwell team. We have come with a wonderful program for teenagers, holistic development program. The 360-degree personal and professional development program is an integrated approach to develop a child in a unique way to learn intellectual, mental, physical, emotional, spiritual, and social abilities so that he or she is capable of meeting challenges and difficulties of today's world. This is a beautiful program. It covers the most important aspects of life: positive self-image, developing strong personal character, turning mistakes into stepping stones for success, self-esteem and confidence building, time management, anger management, relationship bonding, goal setting and goal getting, laws of growth and leadership. How to become a person of influence? You must know yourself to grow yourself. The law of lid, how you can lift the lid of abilities to become a person, become a leader, to accomplish whatever you want to accomplish. How to make a difference in your life. This is a wonderful program. You can reach to us for details, for inquiries, as per the number available here, displayed here. We can have a demo class. These sessions are available one-to-one and in group also at very affordable price.